Let's take action and embrace inner peace. Achieving inner peace is a personal and unique journey. Here are some general approaches that might be helpful. 1. Meditate. Regularly, meditation a clear mind and calm spirit, allowing you to disconnect from worldly concerns and focus on your inner self. 2. Maintain physical health. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and good sleep habits can significantly improve your mental state. 3. Spend time in nature, whether it's a walk in the park, stargazing, or listening to the ocean. Spending time in nature can effectively help you achieve peace. Let's take action and embrace inner peace.
Nakakawa lang nito. Kasi sa Maynila, mahal to sa Maynila. Kaya talaga kung may puno ka, maganda talaga pag sarili puno makakuha ka kahit gusto mo marami, hindi lang. Pasensyahan nyo na guys kung maingay kasi may sintinado doon na kumakanta magaling talaga. Nalugin natin. Yes, lagyan natin asin para may lasa naman. Wow! Lagyan natin. Asin lang. Tama na to. Uga-uga na tayo. Uga-uga to guys. Uga sa lumambot. Medyo matigas pa kasi. Medyo aura. Sabi may nalugin ito. Lagi guys. Hindi na lang. Parang hindi pa okay. Isa pa. Alugin pa. Maganda. Uga pati bahay. Ano talaga. Tingnan natin guys kung okay na. Kasi fast forward ko na yan. Ayan, medyo maganda-ganda na guys. Durog na. Tikman mo para maganda. Yummy. So guys, kain tayo nito. Duat na inalog. Stop na.